Okay,
Hello.
so in there, please introduce yourself.
Yes, Arito. Hello, Arito. I'm Minda, working on a project, learning machine. Yeah, it's a project for to solve our education system affected from COVID and to make it more better. Like if we will waste our time on memorizing something, so it's not good thing. So learning machine keep memorize you. You just focus on two things, understand. Yeah, thank you.
So myself, Aditya Mukherjee, I am from Kolkata, and right now I am studying entrepreneurship at ILIT, and I am in first year. And in future, I want to start my own business. Thank you. So in there, have you ever used a BlackBerry phone?
Yeah, I have used BlackBerry Bold
When did you use?
before 8 years or 10 years.
Before 8 years or 10 years. So did you like it at that time?
Yeah,
Was it
yeah, I like
popular at
it.
that time?
Yeah, it's very popular at that time, and now even when I touch that phone, now it has some kind of different touch. When I take that phone in hand, even I take phone in hand, I even like that phone. Phone was very good actually.
Oh.
Yeah.
So now, do you think anybody use BlackBerry right now at this current time in India?
Anybody, like anyone using BlackBerry, that kind of.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah, maybe people can use, but the thing is, for Android, like BlackBerry is, yeah, it's costly actually. But if BlackBerry has uh, its own uh, operating system, so even I would like to even buy, because in Android, like it's yeah, it's very good thing. But for security purpose, really, like BlackBerry is good actually for security purpose, because no web developer and no hackers are working on that, so it's totally secure. But in Android, like everyone, like so many things there to do. Even Android is secure also, but yeah, we can say on and BlackBerry is much secure.
So why do you think BlackBerry failed to innovate? You see, BlackBerry is a failure because it failed to innovate. So why do you think so?
Yeah, definitely, it's very simple thing. Market is running like it's running so fast. If you will not be in market, so I think if they wanted to like compete, definitely they can, but what they did, I don't know. They just were sleeping. So for that, I think they are in
They were too proud of themselves, you can say.
yeah,
Yeah, that may be the
that we
reason.
are
Too proud of themselves. That's why they didn't innovate.
definitely, that can be the reason actually. They were overconfident about on your product, on their product. Yeah,
So
I think
do you
first of all, actually, I would like to talk about on yesterday like two three things.
not now, not now. Just
Okay, okay, okay.
give it
No,
10 more minutes,
but
then we
it's
can
actually a
talk.
good thing. Oh
Have
yeah,
some
okay, okay,
patience.
okay, okay. Okay, sure, sure,
Okay,
sure.
so do you think BlackBerry can come back
Yeah, it's
right
come
at this
back.
from this situation?
Yeah, even it's a good thing actually. It's depend on like who is leading that company, because I feel if we buy a like old company, that company which fall down, so that company can be profitable. If I have knowledge of that field, even if I have money, I would like to do this kind of things. So anyone can do these things. Yeah. It's depend actually on situation and all that.
Okay, so do you think Nokia and BlackBerry they both failed for the same reason?
Okay, yeah, it's both are this, both were similar. Nokia have a good hardware and BlackBerry has same. So they did the same mistake, I guess. Like actually, their speed, it's about I guess speed. Like they were very slowing, and they don't know the like market lead. They were not understanding market need. What they were doing, I don't know. They were just doing nothing actually. If like they simply just like two three Android phone with like better quality, if they launch, definitely they were in market. But if they were didn't do this thing, they not even launch any good Android version. Like BlackBerry even not. and Nokia even not. Nokia launch is not that much successful, and BlackBerry also did, but not that much successful. And it's very costly actually. Yeah, and the main thing is they were actually not like famous for that kind of things. Like Nokia, people we don't know Nokia for Android, and the brand value of BlackBerry, people don't know like as a Android. So they should do different things. Like illusion is the main thing. How the market like the value of that BlackBerry, so they keep it like same. So people can trust more. Like they can think, oh, now BlackBerry has Android, so it can be much better than. But they didn't. But they were not able to do this kind of things.
Okay, so can you think of any other example where a company failed because it failed to innovate?
Any another example? Just
Yeah,
because of this kind of thing.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, Kodak.
Because the
Kodak
company
is a
failed to innovate. Any other example?
yeah. Actually, Kodak is a good example. They were only
Which one?
focusing on Kodak. It's a camera
Kodak.
company.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, they were only focused on analog camera, but after actually shutter camera, after the digital camera came, they were not like focused. They were not that much focused on this. So the company were deep, like fall down just because of innovate. They were not able to innovate. Time factor is a big thing now. You have to do things in on time. If you will not do on time, you will lose that kind of thing.
Okay, so uh, how can you relate this failure? I mean, for example, BlackBerry and Nokia, or you can say Kodak, failed because they failed to innovate. So, how can you relate such kind of stories with real life, with practical life?
Okay, like how we can take inspiration from
How can, yeah,
their
how
failure.
can you relate such kind of stories in practical life also?
Okay,
Because you
actually,
see,
I
BlackBerry failed because it failed to change itself. So, how can you relate such scenario in our daily life?
okay in daily life. Yeah, actually, in daily life, I'm working on like a startup, so I can give example on the startup better because I understand better this.
Yeah,
The thing is, like, yeah, they were what they actually doing. Even I don't know what BlackBerry actually doing. Like they were sleeping. So if they are in market, like in the like market of smartphone and all that, so they have to like launch. They have to keep their market value, image value. They have to focus on these kind of things. They were not doing actually. In practical life, I would like to say that don't waste time. As faster you can do, just do it. Mainly focus on to save your time, and like you can make it more uh, cheap economically, and it can save people time. And it's like its vibe is good whenever they're using. It's like it should be value for the money. That kind of things.
so you mean that we need to constantly upgrade ourselves in practical life, or else,
Yeah, yeah, definitely. And the main reason is I would like to say, for example, just go like 20 years back. Okay, so where people like who work for like see now what people doing now, people like normal people, I'm saying what they're now doing, that kind, which kind of job they're doing. Now they're doing like as a software engineer job, and before that nowhere like software job. So what they were doing, they were working on a meal. After meal there was like they were on on ground like for agriculture field. So agriculture field is there even. I mean to say that like job profile every time it's like changing. Got it? Now suppose if anyone like he running auto, so definitely his son will say I will not run auto. So he must be need a better job than his father. So what can be the better job for his father? It can be a like a car. Okay, he can drive a car, but who's like for example, if any parent, anyone father is like running a driver like car, so he will definitely think I am not going to drive car, I will definitely get a much better job. So there should be like better job, and from where better job will come, we have to innovate. Our ecosystem should be innovated. Got it? Like every job changing, you took it example at yourself, like what your father doing, you definitely want to do better from his father, because your father expecting you something better than him, definitely. So got it? So sometime it's better if there is a better field, so you can go in that field. But like if someone father is already in a very best place, definitely his father, his child going to do much better than his. Got it? So innovation is there. So innovate, like, got it? It's like people. You know why people are now unemployed? Because they were like they did engineer, so they were not interested in simple job. They wanted to be they will do job as an engineer. But what university doing? They just have manufacturing of engineers. They just engineer is a product for them. They just keep making engineer and giving the production, but no one is their buyer. So this is the thing. So innovation is must be there, and thing will be, yeah. And those who are not doing innovation, they actually not even wasting their time. They're wasting even like economy. It's affect GST. It's affect like in everyone. Why you are not innovating yourself? You should innovate actually yourself. Got it?
Okay, sure,
Actually,
sure.
I have a best example for this, but now I'm not able to remember actually. Okay, if you will give me a minute, I can summarize this. What was the example? Mm, like mm, okay, I'm not now. No, I'm not getting now. I'll tell you this in next session. Our next session.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so in there, thank you for coming. Thank you for joining the session. And
Yeah.
goodbye and good night. Thank you.